Most people think fast food chains make their money by simply selling burgers and fries. It seems straightforward, but this is a billion-dollar illusion. In reality, these companies are not just food vendors. They are sophisticated logistics platforms disguised as restaurants. By leveraging massive real estate portfolios and precision-engineered supply chain data, these conglomerates generate billions. They are technology and logistics powerhouses, hidden in plain sight. Many believe fast food giants make money solely by selling burgers. In reality, the most profitable companies act as landlord empires. While operators manage the daily risks of food production, the parent company retains ownership of the prime land. This turns the operation into a landlord-tenant relationship. Burger sales fluctuate with trends, inflation, and competition. But the rent, that is fixed. This creates a secure, inflation-hedged revenue stream that survives regardless of how many fries are sold. By owning the land, these companies have transformed themselves from simple kitchens into massive, resilient real estate holding firms. Large fast food chains operate through a franchise royalty model. The parent company provides the brand and system, while independent operators run the individual locations. In exchange for this business model, stores pay the parent company a recurring royalty fee, typically between 4 and 8% of their total gross sales. This structure is highly efficient. The parent company collects reliable, high-margin revenue without carrying the operational risks, labor costs, or maintenance expenses of running each storefront. By offloading these burdens to franchisees, the company focuses exclusively on brand equity and global supply chain control, creating a scalable, asset-light financial engine. Massive fast food chains leverage their immense buying power to dictate commodity prices. While small businesses buy from intermediaries, industry giants control the entire flow. By owning logistics and distribution, these conglomerates secure profit margins that smaller competitors can never replicate. Through direct sourcing and proprietary distribution networks, giants eliminate middlemen, ensuring every cent of inefficiency is squeezed out of the operation. By 2026, the fast food industry has reached a new era of AI-driven hyper-efficiency. The kitchen is no longer just a place for manual labor, but a high-tech ecosystem. Robotic kitchen assistants have become standard. These systems now handle frying, grilling, and assembly with precision, reducing reliance on manual processes. This automation has been critical. It has stabilized labor costs, allowing businesses to maintain healthy margins even as minimum wage requirements rise across major economies. In short, the 2026 revolution is about shifting the focus from labor dependency to sustainable, data-backed operational efficiency. Digital sales now account for nearly 60% of total revenue in the modern fast food industry. Apps, self-service kiosks, and third-party delivery platforms have fundamentally replaced traditional ordering as the primary interface for the consumer experience. The phygital pivot describes the seamless integration of physical restaurant locations with digital ecosystems. This fusion allows chains to track customer behavior continuously, from their initial mobile app interaction to their final experience at the tray. By bridging the gap between digital ordering and physical service, brands can gain predictive insights, tailoring their menu and promotions to individuals in real time. The next $1 billion in fast food won't come from burgers alone. It comes from data. Today, chains treat every customer interaction as a valuable data point. By tracking a customer's lifetime value, or LTV, companies build predictive profiles. This allows them to identify exactly when a customer is likely to return. Personalized push notifications now act as triggers. By sending the right offer at the right time, chains directly influence buying habits in real time, effectively monetizing human behavior. Modern fast food chains have moved far beyond static menu boards. By leveraging customer loyalty apps, companies now deploy dynamic and personalized pricing strategies. Standard pricing treats every customer the same. But dynamic pricing allows the system to adjust costs in real time based on high demand periods or individual consumption history. When demand surges, or if the loyalty data suggests a high likelihood of purchase, the algorithm dynamically recalibrates the price for that specific user session. Your smartphone acts as the key to this ecosystem. It feeds granular data to the chain, allowing them to serve highly specific personalized bundles tailored just for you. This evolution from mass market pricing to individual level optimization is a cornerstone of the modern fast food profit model. Fast food chains are shifting their focus from selling individual items to increasing the average transaction value, or ATV. By encouraging customers to purchase value bundles, chains ensure that every visit yields a higher total spend per transaction. This strategy maximizes efficiency by bundling items, turning smaller individual sales into higher margin transactions that drive overall revenue. Traditionally, fast food kitchens struggle when in-store customers and delivery orders compete for the same prep space. This congestion creates a bottleneck, slowing down service for everyone. Chipotle solved this by implementing a dedicated second make line. While the front line serves walk-in customers, the second line is exclusively for digital and delivery orders. By decoupling these workflows, Chipotle drastically increased its throughput. The kitchen operates in parallel, allowing the brand to scale digital demand without compromising the in-store experience. Starbucks isn't just a coffee shop. Its mobile app creates a massive, interest-free loan program for the company. Millions of users preload billions of dollars into their digital wallets. Because this money sits in the app before a purchase is made, Starbucks gains immediate access to billions in liquidity. This capital is essentially an interest-free loan from customers. The company uses this pool of funds for strategic investments, operations, and liquidity, bypassing traditional banking interest costs. It is a brilliant financial structure hidden within a simple coffee app. Fast food brands are expanding into dense urban markets using dark or ghost kitchens. Unlike traditional restaurants, these facilities focus exclusively on fulfillment. Traditional stores carry high overhead, real estate for dining, staffing for service, and complex decor. Ghost kitchens eliminate these costs entirely. By removing the dining room, brands slash overhead and simultaneously maximize delivery radius. This shift allows for rapid scaling in high-density areas. In modern fast food chains, inventory management has evolved from manual spreadsheets to predictive AI systems. These algorithms analyze real-time data to forecast exact consumer demand. The AI engine acts as a brain, crunching variables like weather, local events, and historical sales patterns to ensure only the necessary ingredients reach the kitchen. By reducing excess supply, chains drastically cut food waste. This optimization isn't just sustainable, it directly boosts bottom-line profitability by 2 to 3% annually. Sustainability has transformed into a core profit driver. When waste is managed by logic rather than estimation, the savings compound across thousands of locations globally. Operating margins measure the percentage of revenue remaining after covering operational expenses. While traditional restaurants often target 10 to 15%, modern fast food chains are now targeting 35 to 40%. This jump is driven by AI-managed logistics, robotic kitchen stations, and digital-first sales channels that eliminate human error and reduce waste. In the modern fast food industry, the most essential piece of kitchen equipment is not a deep fryer or a grill. It is the customer's smartphone. The smartphone acts as the primary gatekeeper for the entire business. It serves as a direct marketing channel, delivering personalized notifications straight to the consumer's pocket. It also functions as the central sales pipeline. By integrating ordering into a mobile app, chains ensure frictionless transactions while capturing high-margin revenue directly from the user. Finally, the device is a data factory. It harvests predictive analytics, allowing the chain to optimize inventory, labor, and menu offerings based on real-time consumer behavior. The smartphone has transformed into a strategic tool, effectively turning every consumer into a node within the chain's massive predictive logistics network. The ultimate goal of modern fast food giants is to standardize the output globally. Every automated system reduces reliance on manual labor, ensuring the same quality regardless of location. Traditional manual processes lead to variation. Each person operates differently, creating inconsistency in quality and speed. In contrast, automated systems provide precision. By replacing manual steps with robotics and programmed logic, chains ensure that every product is identical. This standardization means a burger or fry served in Tokyo, London, or New York meets the exact same criteria. This consistency is the backbone of global scale. Fast food chains thrive by mastering operational throughput. A bloated, complex menu creates bottlenecks in the kitchen and slows down service. Data-driven chains constantly prune underperforming items. Every ingredient must justify its presence on the menu by driving high-volume profit. By limiting the number of ingredients and processes, chains reduce preparation time per order, effectively increasing the transaction volume. Loyalty programs have evolved into complex digital ecosystems. They act as sophisticated data gathering machines, capturing deep insights into consumer behavior. By integrating these programs into mobile apps, brands create a digital environment that locks users into their specific ecosystem. This constant loop of personalized offers and rewards is designed for one specific goal: increasing visit frequency. Every interaction reinforces the brand connection. Ultimately, these ecosystems transform occasional customers into habitual ones, ensuring long-term retention through automated value. The infrastructure required to feed millions daily is a massive feat of engineering. Fast food giants operate like logistics companies, moving ingredients with clockwork precision. Central to this is the hub-and-spoke model. Regional distribution centers act as the heartbeat, sourcing bulk raw materials and dispatching them to individual stores. This system creates an efficiency moat. Because these chains move such massive volumes, they secure commodity prices and transit speeds that smaller competitors simply cannot match. By mastering global logistics, these brands ensure that a burger in Tokyo has the same consistent ingredient profile as one in New York, managed by a singular, optimized supply chain. The future of fast food is defined by full autonomy. Robotic modular systems now manage assembly, thermal processing, and packaging with precision. As technology matures, the human role undergoes a fundamental shift. We move from the cook who executes physical tasks to the system overseer who manages digital workflows and technical performance. To conclude, the fast food industry is fundamentally a technological and logistical platform that happens to distribute food. These giants operate on a trifecta of financial engines: strategic real estate holding, immense supply chain consolidation, and high-frequency data analytics. By minimizing human error and leveraging global infrastructure, they remain among the most profitable entities in human history. It is a game of logistics, not just burgers.